Hello there, Taylor with the Multi-Info Report. Doing something different today, yes. Once every 3 years or something. Going to do a little bit of an overproduced screencast or something. Overproduced. Just so I can edit it. Right. And edit it together. So right about now, what would be... yes, if I could speak properly. We're not even going to do any retakes. We'll just, you know, do it all in one shot anyway. Here's where we cue the dramatic music. So, yeah, here's the fun bit. In the time since I finished the recording, Juliette has become official, so I'm gonna redo the Spanish section just right about now. But not do the English thing, just for full confusion level. So the Spanish will be up to date, the English won't. It's completely true. Entonces, comrades, sí, hay una nueva tormenta tropical. Tormenta Tropical Juliette está por aquí. Y hay unos peligros afectando tierra. Los peligros son vientos y lluvia. Y hay un aviso de tormenta tropical para esta zona aquí. El aviso de SMN. No sé nada de esta tormenta. Él dice la zona de inestabilidad, sí, del Océano Pacífico. Pero ahora es una tormenta tropical, sí. Y por aquí hay dos zonas de probabilidad, 10% y también 10% por aquí. Y hay una tormenta tropical Kong-Rey. Y Tormenta Tropical Nando. Nando es el nombre de Pegasa, sí. Y hay unas cosas, no sé, 2 zonas de probabilidad según el JTWC. Baja y baja en el momento. Y es todo en español para hoy. No, comrade, now this time we speak little English. See, little something, I don't know. There was your segue. It's already come and gone or whatnot. So yes, this thing here, near 100% chance of tropical cyclone formation in the next 24 hours. And they're even saying at the NHC that they're going to be putting out advisories on this system in the next couple of hours. So probably by the time you're watching this, this will either be a tropical depression, but I think this is actually going to be Tropical Storm Juliette. And of course the SMN, the Servicio Meteorológico Nacional, or whatever it is, has an advisory out, even though at the time of the last update, it's just a zone of instability. So, land hazards with this, I'll make a guess or something, could be, you know, rains. Strong rains, 20 to 50 millimeters for these areas that they've got that there, and probably a little bit of a gust. I think it's the thing I read is that supposedly it's about 40. Now I don't remember. That doesn't help if I don't remember the unit of wind speed, but I think it's 40 knots or 40 something. I have no idea. I think it's supposed to be tropical storm intensity right now, but low end tropical storm intensity. So yes, rains with that thing, as you can see by the spaghetti models, predicted to pretty much hover around this area for a bit before it goes off into its merry little land and dissipates or whatever in the colder sea surface temperatures. So let's jump over to the important bit over here where we've got Tropical Storm Kong-Rey going on at the moment. We're in the Philippines up to signal number 2. Or signal number 1, I misspoke, for winds, and then of course there's the heavy rains. The possibility always of flash flooding and landslides, of course, anytime that you've got a whole bunch of heavy rains. And then Taiwan has the purple thing is extremely torrential rain. That, I think, on their scale is, I think it apparently goes heavy rain, extremely heavy rain, torrential rain, extremely torrential rain. So basically, based on this map, the center of the country expected to get extremely torrential rain from Kong-Rey / Nando, Nando being the Pegasa name for this storm. And yes, so 2 areas of probability sort of in the neighborhood of it, both low according to the JTWC at the moment. Same-ish story over here, where both of these at the moment are 10% chance of tropical cyclone formation. So yes, this thing almost certainly is future Tropical Storm Juliette, probably by the time you're watching this. And yeah, that wraps up cyclones for today, or something. And then we have to do another artificial cut. Yep, now it is time for severe thunderstorm weather as it relates only to the United States. Yes, and just the severe thunderstorms, yes. What not? So we're not even going to talk about watches or warnings right now, except of course for the fact to point out that there are no watches in effect, because by the time you're watching this, it'll be long out of date. So let's just talk about probabilities today. We've got the possibility for severe winds, which is winds 58 miles per hour greater, and the possibility of severe hail, which is 1 inch or larger. Tornadoes not forecast so much today. So, yes, that would be, of course, where the core of the threat is. That's your slight risk area for today. Now, of course, with the tornado thing, doesn't mean that it can't happen. It just is not very favorable. How about tomorrow? Yes, tomorrow, it's still a 15% chance. And yep, there's where it is. So today, there's your core of the threat area, and tomorrow, there's your core of the threat area in regards to severe thunderstorm weather. And yeah, that's it. I need something else to end this thing. Yep, here's our ending of something. This is where I point out that the whole point of this was to see if I could make the screencast go shorter or something. It ends up, I don't know, it's like 1,200 hours long now. And I'd also like to point out that this page looks horrible at this resolution, so we'll increase it. There we go. Now it doesn't look so chopped up. There you go. So yeah, severeweathertv.com is the official homepage of this screencast, and I'm not even going to go through the other sites. I'll just put some text up, as I have some outro music, is that the word for it? And yeah, or maybe I would have outro music at all. That is it for today, and hopefully you're staying safe out there. I don't know why I slowed down on that point. Everything's just gone off the rails today. Yeah, tomorrow stay tuned. Nothing will be the same. It will all be different. I completely lost my train of thought now. End!